see, right now, entrance 4, and the rest of the people on the area come down the headquarters and use more information. Nothing is in here as of yet, we haven't delivered that. Yeah, making that over this afternoon. All the enhancements of the whole building are down the right-hand side, so it doesn't interfere with the workspace. If you want, I'll walk you through the work. You gotta remember that these are homes away from home, and homes away from home nowadays are sometimes 4 days in a row plus, because of issues with staffing and other items that we have to maintain. Notwithstanding, bad weather events and other items, we can be in here for weeks. I spent some bad weeks in a lot of bad buildings over my career. This is a good building. This building is built on post-Katrina knowledge, has a diesel generator in the back, 3 days worth of supply underneath it. It'll run the entire building for us. We have gas supply up here in and out, so we can put a grill outside, have cooking facilities. Back in my real youth, back in the blizzard, we had 120 people living in a building with us when it was designed for 12 people.
Yeah, for citizens, obviously, if there's
Bad
a
things
disaster, citizens can come here, obviously, and seek, obviously, their own shelter, but if they need, obviously, liquid food, water, we've got a generator, and
We'll be able to self-sustain for minimally 3 days before we have to refuel. That might not be so for provisions and everything else unless we have some precognition, which we usually do have. So it's laid out, radio comms and everything in the front. Front entrance, this is an NFPA compliant building like we all have to do, like we all live under the same fire code. Alarm system, sprinkler system, everything is in here because of the occupancy. It's got a day room up in front. Station at any point in time. Again, back in my youth, we used to sleep in dormitories from 11 o'clock on until approximately 6 in the morning. We don't do dormitories anymore because it was an all-male club when I joined. And it's a little bit better service now that it's not an all-male club. They're all set up with their own lockers. Each individual has a locker assigned to them. We run power down into the top of the lockers, so they can take their cell phones, they can take their own personal cell phones, they can take their portable radio that we assigned to them. These all came out of FM Global.
Oh, wow.
FM Global takes good care of stuff. I can't say that we will, but
if it's free, it's
if
for
it's
we.
free, it's for me. So they sit in very nicely. They're probably better than anything you could buy commercially. So we kept the money in the building instead of contents, which would have been a grab on our funds.